Today is Tuesday and wala po akong face-to-face class today kasi merong transport strike. We are on online modality mode. Pero wala nang meet na mangyayari na online. I think only my physics subject, I think she's gonna discuss. But supposedly today is an exam day. Pero na-move yung physics exam namin sa Friday. That's the agenda for today. And kung ano man mangyayari. I'll just film a get ready with me for my TikTok account. I'm just gonna be back to you guys when I am done doing my makeup. Hi guys! So I am done filming. So I think by the time that you're seeing this, naka-upload na yan for a long time. So yeah, it's currently 1:53 p.m. and I'm just gonna do a bit of TikTok and then we'll do the things that we need to do. So it's currently 3:30 p.m. and online class ko sa physics and at 3:30 hanggang 5:30 p.m. but depende sa teacher how long siya mag-discuss. So as far as I know, discussion lang kami ngayon. So